Hello everyone and welcome back to another video on the channel, and in this video I will be showing you how you can set live wallpaper on your Windows desktop. So let's get started. First, from the Microsoft Store you have to search for X Live Wallpaper and get it installed in your system. After that, click on Windows icon and you will find the installed app over there. Open and you will find the app interface like this. Also make sure guys to keep this option turned on, so next time when you restart your PC, the wallpaper will be automatically running. These are some live wallpapers which you can find with the app. To install, you can just single click on the shown wallpaper and it will get installed on your desktop like this. To view more live wallpapers of this kind, you can click on more wallpapers and you will be directed to a website from where you can find and download more wallpapers. Or to set manually your favorite wallpaper, search the name of the wallpaper in your browser which you want to set, and you will come to see these multiple websites. Now open any one of this website and download your favorite wallpaper. Once downloaded, again come to your app and click on Add Wallpaper. Then select Browse and click the downloaded wallpaper and OK. That's it. Then you can check your desktop and you will be able to see your set live wallpaper. So that's it in this video. I hope you guys like the video and thanks for watching.